dogs relax, but hormones continue to run wild.
We're watching TV again.
Boys that have not been neutered yet, and one that was just neutered a few days ago. So they're having some hormone issues.
After 4 days on the road, the Beagles finally arrive at their new home.
He laying down watching
The journey
TV.
was long. We were on the road for almost 2,500 miles. Our days ran into our nights, and we consumed
Flip.
caffeine.
Flip. You like
Dogs
it?
will live in groups of 2 in temporary runs until they are cleared to live with the rest of the
He watching
population.
the dog.
It's exciting to be back in Dogtown. They are going to have so much fun here. It's going to be a wonderful thing for them and for us to get to know them. There's your buddy. There's your buddy.
There's your buddy.
The next up for the Beagles, medical assessments.
They will have their intake, which all dogs in Dogtown do, and then we'll start through the medical that they need. My hope for all of them is that we'll be able to find the perfect placement for them and make sure that they are extremely adoptable.
But Electra, the heartworm-positive dog, seems sluggish. Her low energy level could be a signal her disease is advanced.
As a new dog, we keep an eye on Electra because
You like
we see a
it?
little bit of a change in her behavior. She seems a little bit quiet.
It's
He
critical
got
that Beagle be
close.
tested
Like, leave
immediately
me alone.
so treatment can begin. Up next, a risky treatment plan for Aristotle.
Oh, not the head, huh? Don't mess with your head.
Friday, visit a tropical
They know it's a commercial.
They've got invasive, they've got the endangered Puerto Rican boas, they've got all kinds of fun stuff.
Sounds like the perfect getaway for python hunters. And this tropical paradise is just crawling with reptiles.
There's got to be 500 on this island.
Looking for shade? We've got you covered.
I'll be taking you down to the cave and hopefully you'll see a bunch of boas being vaccinated.
Yum. An all-new Python Hunters, Friday at 9 on Nat Geo Wild.
Incredible detail. Amazing